beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering anything at all to do with my makeup that I've got on today, it was yesterday's video testing the two brand new mini palettes from the Corpse collection, Corpse Bride and Revolution, in case you haven't seen them yet. I've done one on one eye and one on the other, and the day before that I tested the big palette from the Corpse Bride collection, and the day before that we did a full unboxing of the whole collection. So if you're wondering anything to do with Corpse Bride and Revolution, or anything to do with Revolution's newest launch, I will leave it all linked down below for you to go check it out. But today we are back with an advent calendar unboxing. It's been a little while, we've had a little bit of a break in between the two of them. A lot of Halloween stuff has been kind of happening in the meanwhile. But if you are new here, by the way, I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I am uploading back to back at the moment, and it's going to be like that for a good couple of weeks. So if you're going to come back tomorrow, I do have a video. Hopefully I think tomorrow's is going to be my Carnival, the brand new one with Be Perfect and Stacey Marie, the Antidote palette review. Hopefully that's going to be up tomorrow, but today we are focusing on this bad boy. So this is the W7 12 Days of Gorgeous Advent Calendar. You can get this on Tesco. You can't get it on W7's website yet, but you can get it on Tesco. I don't know if it's coming to W7 or whether it's just like a Tesco thing. I don't know. It retails for £15. So behind each door it should be about £1.25. Yeah, £1.25 worth behind the door. So let's just get straight into it. I have already got some Revolution advent calendar unboxings as well, so I'll leave them down below. I do have a full Christmas 2021 playlist that is always linked in my description as well, so if you want to go check that out, you'll have everything in there for you anyways. But let's find door number one. Okay, ducks, we have it here. The only thing that annoys me, there isn't like a, so like sometimes they have like the little thing for you to be able to poke your nail in. You don't have that, so let me just get some tweezers. Yeah, I'm not, I just pulled my hair. Yeah, it's really hard to get into. Oh my god. Okay, this is not going to be pretty after I'm finished with it at all. Jesus. That was really hard to get into. So first up, oh my god, it's a little mini. So first up we have a lipstick. My hair like went all over from doing that. This is a mini Lippy Cheek Ultra Cream lipstick, and it's a little baby one. Oh my god, that is adorable. Like, that is so cute. Oh, okay. That is what that looks like, and I'm happy for it to be that size when the calendar is only £15. So that's worth like £1.25. Anyways, that is actually adorable. I don't know if they're all going to be minis. I mean, I'm assuming there's going to be quite a few minis in here just because of the price. Okay, so where's number two? Number two is a big long one. Like, I'm not going to lie, it's really not easy to get into it. It's like not being cut enough where you can just like get into it and then rip it down. Like, it still doesn't come out kind of like properly, and then it's really hard to get out. If I break my nail, I'll be fuming. And then next one we have is a full-size one, I believe. Well, it's going to be surely. This is a full-size eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. Let's do a little, ooh, she pointy. Let's do a little swatcheroo. Okay, nice, nice. Not bad, not bad. I wouldn't say Blackest Black, but £1.25, I'm buzzing with that because that's full size. And then number three is absolutely tiny. Don't you can see that there? So number three is a tiny gloss, which I guess would be good for like a night out, but realistically, like, it is absolutely tiny. This calendar is stressing me out by how hard it is just to get the products out. Like, I just really like nearly ripped my nail off trying to get that one out. They need to improve this because it's just not. It's not very easy to get into. And it like cuts your finger. Like, even when you rip it, like, that's meant to be like, yeah, I'm just not enjoying this. I'm really not enjoying trying to get into this. So for day 4, we have a hair clip, which I don't think I'd use, but it's cute. It's cute. And then day 5, Jesus. I'm gonna get sweat. I'm doing this. Oh, day 5 is another long one. Ooh, it's a lip pencil. Okay, this is making me feel a bit better. I feel like I'm doing an operation trying to get the stuff out. So we have a lip pencil. It just looks like this. Ooh, okay, this is a really like bubblegum pink kind of colour. You see that there? It would have been nice if it was like a red in here, like for Christmas. But I guess that maybe might go well with like the gloss, or it might go well with the little mini lipsticks. That is day 5. I'm not mad. Day 6 looks bigger. It looks like it's going to be like a lotion, like some kind of cream. Oh, I don't think it is actually. Oh, I think it's a primer. Oh, this looks like a nice size. It's definitely a mini. Oh, but it's so cute. Like for £15, I honestly don't care that it's all minis. If it is all, I know it's not. There's a couple of full size, but that is adorable. So this is the It's Glow Prime Radiant Primer. So she just looks like this. My finger hurts from trying to get into this box. I'm glad I took my thumbnail beforehand because this is not going to look pretty by the end of it. And then we have number 7, which I think is going to be another lipstick because it's the same shape as the one that we had before. Yeah, it looks like, ooh, it looks like it's a nice colour though. It's gone into the next doors. Ah, my finger. So the next one, it looks like this. So we had like a bit more of a pinky one. I've got a bit more of a grungy one, which I like. This is just what it looks like. Oh, it smells nice. It's got a little whiff of it then. It would have been nice to have a red in here. It really would have been, just like for Crimbo. That's that one. What number was that? 7. So we need number 8. Number 8 is another long one. So we've had an eyeliner and a lip liner so far. I'm really hoping it's another lip liner in a different colour. Tell you what, I won't be buying this advent calendar again, not even just for a video. This is why. Jesus. Ooh, okay, but I'll let them off because it's another lip liner. And this one is in the shade Ruby Red. What was the other one? Because I don't think I said the name for that one. Blush Pink. So we have Ruby Red lip liner. Ooh, she's nice. Oh, she's really nice. See, even more so I should have had a red lipstick in here. Who knows, might get like a gloss or something, or like a liquid lipstick. So that was number 8. Let's go to number 9, which is more of like a square box. If you get stressed easily, I would not get this advent calendar because it stressed me out. Oh, this one's a nice one though. So this one, I can't get it out though, is a little Helloooooo, which is one of W7's bronzes, and it's meant to be like a dupe. Oh my god, that is adorable. It's meant to be a dupe for Benefit Hoola. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god, that is adorable. Oh, I love that. Okay, really, really happy with that. So that was day 9. Day 10 looks like it's the exact same shape. Let me just do my operation to get in. Oh, it's a mini highlighter. Okay, do you know what? After all the stress of getting in, when it's something nice behind the door, it makes it all worthwhile. It's so cute. This is a Glow Commotion Shimmer Highlighter eyeshadow. So obviously you can just use it for whatever that you want. And it just looks like this, which is absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm really, really liking this. Really liking this. That was number 10. So we have number 11, which is a different shape to what we've had before. A bit longer, but a bit fatter than the lip liner and the eyeliner one. Ooh, okay. I have a feeling it's going to be... Oh, no way! I take all of it back. I love this advent calendar. It's a little mini mascara. Oh, that is so cute. So this is the Absolute Lashes mascara, which is meant to be a dupe for Benefit's They're Real, as you can probably tell from the packaging. It's quite similar to it as well. Let's have a look at the wand. Yeah, the wand's the same as well. That is, oh my god. This advent calendar is mint. Oh my god, actually, I'm obsessed. Oh my god, that's class. Okay, and then we have number 12, which is the last day, which is the biggest one that we have in here. I'm buzzing with this. I mean, it's stressing me out trying to get in, but it is worth it. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. It's a cleansing gel. I haven't tried anything like this. They've also got like a a cleansing balm, like a peach one. I know Alex has just ordered it. I really want to try that. But we have this. This is number 12. This is the W7 Blueberry Burst with oat, blueberry and cactus extract. It's a cleansing gel and it's 20 millilitres. So that's just what that looks like. So considering it's £15 for this full, I mean, look at the state of it. I mean, I guess you're just recycling it afterwards anyway, but £15 for this full advent calendar, and you're getting a mini cleanser, you're getting a mini bronzer and highlighter, which I'm buzzing about, a mini mascara, which I think is mint as well, and then you're also getting a little mini glow highlighter, you're getting a full-size pink lip liner and a full-size red lip liner, a full-size black eyeliner, 2 mini lipsticks, a mini gloss, which would be mint for a night out, for in your handbag, and then a little clip, which, to be fair, like, I'm not even that bothered that this clip's in here, because the last couple of items that I opened just really made this whole advent calendar. So even though it has really hurt my finger and it's throbbing ever so slightly, this is an unreal advent calendar for £15. I'm actually really impressed with this, like really impressed with it. So yeah, I would really recommend it. Tesco, £15. They do have it online, but there isn't like a picture, but you can find it online if you do like Tesco orders or whatever. But I just found it in store in a big Tesco near me. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below. Are you going to pick it up? Have you seen any of the ones? There is 2 more on W7. I can't say it out. There is 2 more on W. Oh my god. There is 2 more advent calendars on W7's website. However, they are very similar to each other. So I think I would only pick up the one because it tells you what's inside it. I think there's one that I preferred more so than the other. So I might also pick that up as well. So let me know if you want me to, and if there's anything else, because I do have some other Christmas gift sets in Tesco's and stuff as well, but they were quite pricey. There was like one that was nice, but it was like £25. And I thought it was quite pricey for the stuff that you got on it, and for like W7 as well. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. If there's any other ones that you want me to try, I really want to try the Ted Baker one, but it's not on 3 for 2 on Boots, and I just can't bring myself to pay it yet. But yeah, let me know if there's any other ones that you want me to try as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for what I think is going to be the Carnival Antidote palette review, and then the day afterwards should be kind of back to either the Halloween stuff, the Forever Flawless palettes from Revolution, or it'll be the Naughty and Nice I Heart Revolution palette reviews. I think it'd be most likely be Halloween, because obviously it makes sense that's coming up first. But yeah, thank you so much. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.